Hi everyone, Deb here. I received some happy mail the other day and I just haven't gotten around to doing a video. This is from my friend Lynnea, I think is how you say it. Anyway, she's a crafty friend. She doesn't make videos. She does comment on my videos sometimes. And she's on Facebook and all that kind of stuff. And she has the cutest little dog. She has some cardboard in here just for so it didn't bend everything, and I have already looked through everything and thanked her, but I wanted to share it because there's so many pretty things. So let me kind of flip this over. I did it upside down because the addresses were on the other side. So she sent me this sort of rainbow eyelash trim, and oh, it's different though. It has these like loopies. Oh no, that's just twisted around. Sorry. Well, I don't know. Does it? Maybe it does. It does have like little fuzzy loopy things. That's different than the ones I have. Or is that two strands? Nope, that's how they are. They have like splotches of almost like colored pussy willows. They're little fluffy spots. That's different. Thank you. I do not have that. So, but that is a lot of it. I'll have to think of something to use it on now. And some shiny purple paper, 2 sheets of that. Very pretty. I can use that in my purple journal when I get to using it. And some sort of craft envelopes. Very nice. Always can use those. And some really pretty floral envelopes too. Oh, it's an envelope and two card bases? Yeah, 2 card bases. Very pretty. Little note card. Okay, and let me move that out of the way because the shine might be getting to y'all. I don't know. And then some beautiful, oh, I forgot this one. Sorry, hang on. What is this? Oh, look at this. This is gorgeous. It almost looks like old curtains, but it's got flowers and things in it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them. And like I could use this as a fence. You know, that would make a cool, that is a fence. It's like a fence, maybe it goes like this. It does. So this would be where the curtain rod would go in. Wow, that's really cool. And houses. And I can't tell, those almost look like strawberries. I'm not for sure. Or maybe trees, I don't know. And fences. Wouldn't that fence be cool on a project? Anyway, and the flowers too. I almost hate to cut this up, but it's a little too small for any of my windows. So, yeah, thank you. And then this gorgeous tissue paper. I have it upside down, of course. The stems are going this way. Different flowers, almost like poppies. I always think of my father when I see poppies. He was a veteran, and I guess World War II, and he used to go in parades and wear a poppy on his, either his shirt or his jacket at the time. So I always think of him when I see the poppies. But yeah, this is beautiful. There's some blue ones, some sort of modern-y looking. I almost thought that was kiwi when I first opened it, but really pretty paper. Nice for summer. Summer project coming up sometime. And then this beautiful one too. Oh, there's another piece of that one. Let's see if I can get this opened well. Isn't that pretty? I almost thought that was a beach chair. See, I don't know what that is exactly, but to me it looks like a beach chair or I don't know. But beautiful flowers, right? Or some kind of Japanese symbol maybe. I don't know. Just gorgeous flowers. Looks like she used a couple pieces to decoupage or something. Gorgeous tissue papers. And we have some love words die cut. I'm pretty sure I saw some other words in here now. beautiful napkins she sent me. I do have some napkins, but I don't have any of these. These are gorgeous. She gave me 3 of these, and they are, oh, look at that. So pretty. So they're on all 4 panels, and different, like the blues on one, and oh, they're just so pretty. Thank you, Lynnea. So there's that one, and then a cut flower tag, which I can use as a tag in a junk journal, right? Now, Lynnea, I thought you were going to do junk journaling too. Lynnea. Oh, look at the ferns. Oh, we should have used that for Earth Day, huh? For my Earth Day series. Isn't that gorgeous? I think I need to use that very soon. Oh, no, I have to use the next one very soon. Oh, gosh, I just finished a project, which you'll see tomorrow, with these beautiful things, tulips. My tulips probably only have about another week of life. Some of them are starting to be finished. I have some bright pink, about this color, maybe a little lighter, but a deep rich pink. And I have some yellow ones, well, I think 1 or 2. But some of the pink ones, they're different varieties, and some of them are almost done, and others are in like full bloom, and they're just gorgeous. So this almost looks like hydrangea, but it isn't, I don't think. It has little, I don't know what that is called. I'll have to ask my friend, but if any of you know, let me know. It reminds me of a white hydrangea, actually. I'm just not sure. I was looking at hydrangeas because mine is sickly. Anyway, peace, love, and coffee. Yes. You know, I always say hugs, love, and peace. And I guess I'll have to add in coffee, which, by the way, is in my mug. This actually was one I had given to my mom, best mom. Um, do dogwood blooms. Or cherry. No, I think these are dogwoods. Maybe they're cherry blossoms. I'm not sure. I can never tell the difference between the cherry blossoms and the dogwoods. Just pretty pinks. So that's my second cup. I'm almost done. Yeah. The perfect blend. Yep. Cool. I like that. Thank you. And 15. I'll have to use that on a day I have to do a 15. I already did week 15 for my both collabs, but we'll see. Isn't that pretty? More vintagey looking inside with the background pieces. And beautiful flowers. Looks like a Gerbera daisy. I'm not sure what the others are. Yep, very pretty. I love flowers. I just have trouble growing them because I don't. Oh, more tulips. Awesome. Now this is like more modern looking ones, or different varieties too. I love these ones that have the different colors. Like this one has purple and yellow. A lot of people don't like them. They like the pure ones, but I do because they're different and I like different. So yeah, very nice. I love them. Thank you. And watermelon for summertime. Oh, lots of watermelon there. Cool. Awesome. I see some summer projects coming for sure, and some XOXOs in red to go with the loves. I'll put them with my Valentine's stuff. Oh, I didn't see what's in here. Some glassine bags. Do have some of those. I forget to use them. I used one in one of my junk journals. And this purpley blue. Oh, this can be for my purple journal too, some of it. There's a lot here, so not all of it. Because I already am finished that journal other than any decorations I want to do to it as I'm working in it. But I'll definitely use that. I don't have much purple trim, if any, anymore. Well, I have nothing like this, so thank you very much. That'll make a cute tassel too, along with some of this other stuff. And, ooh, library card pockets and lots of tags. These are cool. I don't have any like this, so thank you. Oh, look, she made some. A birdie. You might see that again soon. This is a decoupaged napkin, I think, on top the tag. Same with this, pretty sure. And probably this. I don't know if this is tissue paper or napkin. I'm not, I can't tell. But yay, a little chickadee. That's a chickadee. I do have some books on backyard birds, and I feed the birds just like they told us to do in Mary Poppins. Remember that? So I have a library card stamp. I don't want to do that because it might tear it. Those are cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So that is my wonderful friend mail from Lynnea, who, like I said, comments on my videos, and she's on Facebook. So if you see her, write her a comment under her comment, and just send her some crafty love. And uh, I have to remember her dog's name. I want to say Oscar. Is that right? If I'm wrong, please forgive me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're a good friend, and I appreciate you. I need to do more for you. And I'll talk to you again soon, everyone. Hugs, love, and peace, and coffee.